Hello, great student. In this video, we will continue discuss your student books. Right now, we will discuss page 82 until 90. Let's start now. Heating and cooling material. Heating means to make it hotter, and cooling means to make it colder. Melting is when a solid changes into liquid. For example, ice cube, chocolate, ice cream, and butter. Boiling is when heating the water and changes into steams or gas. Heating also changes the color of the food. For example, white bread changes into toast bread, and then raw chicken changes into cooked chicken, and then uncooked egg changes into fried egg. Freezing is when a liquid changes into a solid when it's cooled. For example, water changes ice cube, and then fruit juice changes into popsicles. Now let's do your student book, page 90. Let's start now. Heating and cooling materials. Fill in the missing word. Use the word in the word choice box. Material can be changed by heating and cooling. Baking a cake is an example of heating materials. Water can cool down and become ice. This can be heated to make water again. If we carry on heating the water, it will turn into steam. This can be cooled and it will turn back into water. Number 2. What changes have this material been through? Write heating or cooling in the spaces provided. First picture, heating. Second picture, cooling. Third picture, heating. Fourth picture, cooling. Fifth picture, heating. And the sixth picture, cooling. Dissolving material is if the materials spread out into the water and we cannot see the materials anymore. And undissolving material are the materials that don't spread out into the water. Example of dissolving material are salt, sugar, baking powder, and instant coffee powder. The example of undissolving materials are tea leaves, talcum powder, pepper, and flour. Now, let's do your student book, page 95. Let's start now. Dissolving materials in water. Circle the correct answers. A. When a material spreads out in water, we say it has dissolved. True. B. Only some material will dissolve in water. True. Sand can dissolve in water. False. D. We can get salt from the seawater. True. And we skip it because we need investigations to it. We already finished discussing your student book chapter 3. Tanggal 1 Oktober adalah Hari Kesaktian Pancasila. Pancasila adalah dasar negara dan pemersatu bangsa. Para pendahulu kita telah berhasil menjaga Pancasila sebagai dasar negara dan ideologi bangsa. Kini, giliran kita yang menjaganya. Mari menjadi warga Indonesia yang nasionalis dan berkarakter Pancasila dengan mengamalkan sila-sila Pancasila dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Selamat Hari Kesaktian Pancasila. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you on the next video.